7 months.
And you can't tell yet whether it's male or female.
Well, you can, but you have to grab them up and turn them around.
There's no markings on them.
No, they look identical.
Mm-hmm.
Just look. These alligators live up to 60 years out here in the wild. Now they grow up to 14 foot long for males. Females only get about 7 to 8 foot. Now this one here is about 7 foot, maybe a little bit more. It's hard to tell, but her body is literally way back in there. She has what's called a gator den, usually where they burrow up underneath, where they